So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do these. So they're little favours that you can put on the table for your guests, especially if you're having like a beach themed wedding. They're really, really cute. I'm getting married in Cyprus next year, so this is what we've gone for. It's got a little message inside. There's a little seashell in there as well. So what you're going to need is some string. I got this off of eBay for £1.39. I've got these little thank you charms as well. So I got 50 of those, and that was £5.33. I've got these shells as well, which you can pop inside. They cost me £2.48. And then this is really cute actually. When I visited Cyprus, I brought a bottle out with me, and I actually collected some of the sand when I was on holiday. So I've still got some of that left over, but you can buy that off the internet as well. Or if you're going on holiday, then just collect some sand up. Also, you're going to need some paper as well. I will show you the measurements and dimensions that you need to make a perfect little scroll. Okay, so what you want to first start doing is putting your sand in the pot. So I've got one of these pots because it's got a little ridge on the end, so I can easily pour it in. So you don't want to pour too much in because you need room for the shells and also the scroll as well. So just about that much in there will do. And then I want to start putting little shells in. So I'm just going to pop two in. I'm going to do two different colours in there. In there. Then you want to cut some of the string. And then take one of your little thank you charms. And then you just want to thread it through there. I do it usually about 2 centimetres width. And then just make sure, you probably should do this with a pencil, but I'm going to cut through it anyway, so. You probably don't need to do it as long as this as well, just so you can roll it up. You also want to take another piece of string as well, only a small little bit, just to tie around the scroll. And then just roll it up. Write a little message in it as well if you'd like to. fiddly this little bit actually. Hold that up again, it's gone a bit too big now. A little bit off. And just pop it inside there. And then your final part to do is to tie your string around. And there you have it, a cute seaside favour for all destination brides and grooms. Don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks.